Starting with making the noodles, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 2 eggs, 6 yolks, and some utensils. Then you're going to add the salt to the flour, the oil to the eggs. Once that's done, start whisking the eggs. Create a barrier with the flour. Pour the eggs you just whisked into the barrier. Then slowly incorporate the eggs into the flour to create dough. Knead the dough for 10 minutes. Then let it rest for 30 minutes. Once you're done letting it rest, cut it into 8ths so it's easier to roll out. Roll it out to the thinnest you can get it. Since then you're going to fold the dough over. Then we're going to cut it into strips so then you end up with something that looks like this. Hot halfway up with water, then add salt, just enough to your liking. Then you're going to boil for 15 minutes, then dump it out into a strainer. Wow, you may be asking, why should I even make homemade pasta? Look at the science behind box pasta. Though the nutrition part may be very similar to one another, box pasta has one thing homemade noodles don't have: phosphoric acids. Phosphoric acids is mostly found in soda. It helps give the tangy flavor and prevents mold, but the negatives to it is too much of it can cause heart disease. For the toppings, you're going to need broccoli, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of whole milk ricotta cheese, cooked chicken, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour broccoli into a pan filled with water. Boil it for 8 minutes. Then pour all the ingredients together, then mix to create the sauce. Then pour the broccoli and the chicken, and then mix the sauce and keep it on a low heat temperature to get the best results.